Alright, welcome back.
All adventure games are a game
The rift is gone.
travel.
Open the gate.
Oh, yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
We're clear for the moment.
Well,
Well done.
this is part 3.
Whatever that thing on your hand is, it's useful.
Thing on my hand, really? Varric is such a douche. Okay, these are supplies. They replenish our potions, but only this potion. This potion that will eventually fill up, we have to refill ourselves with certain herbs. But anyway. Oh, every time I level up, everyone in my party's health replenishes. Nesbiggled. We're gonna... Oh, crap. Forgot to show you. Did I show you about the inventory? I don't think so. Okay, so, like I said, switch between characters, give them awesome weapons. Varric can only use his bow, Bianca, but you can find upgrades throughout the game to give him more damage with that. So, we're gonna have Cassandra use the Morning Star. And we're gonna come across a few points where it's important in this next dialogue bit to get approval from her and just... Oh, I didn't hear that part before.
Here they come.
And this is King Douche.
Chancellor Roderick, this is...
I know who he is. As Grand Chancellor of the Chantry, I hereby order you to take this criminal to Val Royaux to face execution.
Order me? You are a glorified clerk, a bureaucrat.
And you are a thug. And a thug who supposedly serves the Chantry.
We serve the most holy, Chancellor, as you well know.
Justinia is dead. The victory replacement and the Bay Hurdle was underway.
Okay, what about the breach? If I say that, then Solus, our mage friend, will approve. I'm standing right here. Nothing really fun happens with that, but I like the response I get from this. So no one...
I'd like to make my own poll and say I nominate him first to be fit to a dragon.
Yes. Well,
That's just my fault.
yeah, he kind of redeems himself. Okay, so no one's in charge here. Listen to this one. This one's my favorite.
So none of you are actually in charge. You killed everyone who was in charge.
Oh, that's awesome.
All the retreat, Seeker. Our position here is hopeless.
We can stop this before it's too late.
How? You won't survive long enough to reach the temple, even with all your soldiers.
We must get to the temple. It's the quickest route.
But not the safest. Our forces can charge as a distraction while we go through the mountains.
We lost contact with an entire squad on that path. It's too risky.
Listen, abandon this now, before more lives are lost.
How do you think we should...
And this is what I mean. You're asking for my opinion. I've never chosen that in case I get disapproval. But I'm going to leave it to you to decide who he should end up with, Josephine or Cassandra. Because Cassandra...
That's who they are.
Yeah, well, don't
It's not
worry.
my game.
Yeah. Well, no. I've already done Cassandra's, so Josephine might be interesting. But just in case, if you find that you like Cassandra, take the mountain pass fast but indirect. Soldiers will act as a distraction. Elsewhere, the problem will be addressed sooner, but there may be casualties. Varric will like this, but she'll disapprove. Charge in with the soldiers. She'll like this.
I say we charge. I would survive long enough to try. Whatever happens, happens now.
Yeah, you get 10 approval from her and only like 1 approval from Varric.
Everyone.
The thing is you lose a couple loot
On your
bags
head be the consequence.
that can hold some pretty good stuff. There, however, no matter which way you take, you can still get a chest that gives you the same weapon and shield, no matter which path you take. I only just figured this out the last walkthrough I did.
Jumper on the loop.
Yes.
Is your friend.
No. At no point in time in the game should you never loot. If you see loot, you loot. It doesn't matter whether you're fighting a dragon, you loot. Alright, oh, I'm gonna show you my fade step. That is like the best move in the game. And the upgrade, I'll show you once I get the upgrade. Anyway, so this is the chest I'm talking about. You get 64 gold, a dagger, and a griffin shield. Can't use the dagger, but Cassandra can use the shield. And even if I took the mountain path, we'd still pick up these stuff. But I lose. There's like little burlap sacks that contained loot in the mountain path, and I've gotten some pretty good stuff. There's one great thing about this game is that it doesn't matter if it's a chest or a bag, it has the chance to have really good stuff. Or it has the chance to have really horrible stuff. But I was kind of hoping that I hadn't searched well enough the last walkthrough and that there were actually bags, but I guess not. Alright, time to go kill stuff.
The oddly obscure little tiny bag that's up in the corner behind the bookshelf.
Yeah, I know.
Jumps behind a blue wall. Somehow has a really long step.
I know.
Just wondering, how does it fit?
It's a magic bag. Dude, Solus, where the hell's my barrier, bro? I put it on preferred. Where is my... There we go. Okay. It's about time, man. It's like the first spell you should have popped
How
off.
many rifts are there? We must seal it. Or
Okay.
we'll get past.
Quickly then!
These guys are the most annoying fighters in the game at the moment right now. Whoa. When you see green under you, move. And when you see them do that, fade into the ground and then jump up, move. And when you see that ring and them screaming, move. Basically, these guys are just douches. And that will hurt me.
The spam of this.
Oh, yeah. Alright. There we go.
Seal has been full. You are becoming quite proficient at this. Let's hope it works on the big one. Lady Cassandra, you managed to close the rift. Well done.
And this is the advisor I was talking about who has the
Do not congratulate
tough time
me,
having his
Commander.
face.
This is the
form.
prisoner's doing.
Is it? I hope they're right about you. We've lost a lot of people getting you here.
I'll do what I can. I like this guy. He's loyal. He's a good guy.
I can't promise anything, but I'll try my best. That's all we can ask. Wait at the temple should be clear. Liliana will try to meet you there.
Then we'd best move quickly. Give us time, Commander.
I can watch you. All I'm saying.
And he really is a good guy. So. He's also a romance option for females. Only female humans and female elves, though. Apparently he's not into dwarves or Canary.
Strangest hop off a cliff ever. Just stiff.
Yeah.
The temple of sacred ashes.
That,
That
the helmet and the bow always is always there. And even if you're an archer, that bow is worse than your
no one knows.
weapon that you would currently have. Right, one of the things I do hate about the inventory is having to put armor on every single character. It is by far irritating because there's not just helmets, there's then, you know, armor and then accessories and then weapons and oh my god, I just want to kill stuff and be awesome. Alright, another cutscene. Way too many if you ask me.
You're here.
No, that was just a friend logging on. All the people I have as friends for right now are from Destiny, because I did so much raids and whatnot.
This is your chance to end this.
What was that?
Are you ready?
Alright, I'll try. Can I even get up there? There's some dialogue. There's some conversations that have no approval changes, so.
I'll try, but I don't know if I can reach that, much less close it. No. This rift was the first. It is the key. See it? Perhaps it's in reach.
Then let's find a way down. And be careful.
Oof. And that is like the Lord of all assholes. You'll meet him later.
As a guess, the person who created the breach.
Alright. I'm trying to slow down so I don't ditch out any dialogue.
Red lyrium seeker.
I see it, Beric.
But what's it doing here? The magic could have drawn on lyrium beneath the temple. Corrupted it. It's evil. Whatever you do, don't touch it.
Yeah, the red stuff becomes like the bane of my existence later. Ah, crap, I didn't wait long enough. If I wait long enough, I think she has like one more line of dialogue, that woman who just spoke, and then it will immediately go straight to the cutscene rather than load. I'm guessing because I missed some dialogue. The game is just weird like that. It's Skyrim loading. Like...
What a mirror effect, man. It's just going on.
Uh-huh.
What's going on?
That was your voice. Most holy called out.
What's going on here? We have an intruder. Lady Ellen.
The evil guy who just said he should slay me was,
What? Who attacked? And the divine mischief. Was this vision true? What are we seeing?
his voice sounds so
I don't
familiar.
remember. Echoes of what happened here. Fate bleeds.
I feel like he's from a movie I know.
It's not sealed, but it is closed, albeit temporarily. I believe that with the mark, the rift can be opened, and then sealed properly and safely. However, opening the rift will likely attract attention from the other side.
That means demons. Stand ready.
Oh my god, really? How do you pull an arrow through your chest? Oh, a bowstring through your chest, bro. Alright, after this battle, I'm going to end the video. These guys become a lot more common in the later levels.
Now!
Well, not really more common, but... Alright, so... He just put up a shield or a guard like Cassandra's.
Strip its defenses.
Later on in the
Wear it
game,
down.
this is like the only fight where I have to disrupt the rift
Now!
to take down his shield, because there'll be like two of them later on in, you know, higher level rifts, and I can just take down their guards by attacking them. But disrupting the rift is unneeded. Holy crap. I did not think you could do that much damage.
More coming through the rift.
Okay, guys, come on, hang on a minute. Guys, help me out here. I'm squishy. I'm squishy, come on. Leave the squishy guy alone. Damn it. What the hell are you two doing? Liliana, help me. Guys, I can't close the rift if I'm dead. Ah, shit. You see, this is where being a rogue would come in handy. But this is also where having Fade Step works out really nice. Oh, shit. Okay, I don't know why that didn't do as much damage as it did last time, but okay. Okay. Alright, hello, Mr. Pride Demon. Can you just die already, please? Yeah, so it's best that I don't use Chain Lightning, because the demon is practically like a lightning element.
I feel sorry that it left you for so long. You seem to be talking to characters.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, shit, shit, shit. Shit! Oh, yeah. You should... Oh, God. Dude, guys, help me. Help me. Help me. I can't close the rift if I'm dead. Get him off me. Don't pay attention to the demon. He has a shield. I have to disrupt the rift. Help me. You know what? You guys are just useless. See, Cassandra's helping. She understands what needs to happen here. I'm squishy, damn it. Not powerful. Not yet. Eventually, I will be able to solo rifts and these guys, like 2 at a time, along with minions, once I advance class. And I can be like 3 levels below them. And levels mean everything in this game. You know, unlike in Skyrim, if you down a lot of potions or go invisible, you can immediately slit someone's throat. You can't. Oh no, because they'll either shoot you back or chase you down, and they will kill you in one hit.
Now, seal the rift.
Ah crap! I forgot to check. Sometimes he'll drop loot. And that's it for part 3.